Yiba Kids. Hi! Welcome! I'm really glad you're here. Now we're going to read words with E and A close to each other. Most of the words also sound like long E, and the least are long A. And some are short E. I've compiled at least the most common words for you. It's a bit challenging. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. We're going to read E and A first as a long E. Eat. Eat. Ear. Ear. Fear. Fear. Here. Here. Each. Each. There are a lot of meaning, but I'll stick with the easiest. Each refers to an individual or thing. The picture shows each child. This word is often used, and I bet you hear this a lot, so I included it. Like, help each other. Or, I gave each child a chocolate. I'm so happy to teach you this word. Beach. Beach. Teach. Teach. Tea. Tea. Team. Team. See. See. Seal. Seal. Tear. Tear. Near. Near. Year. Year. A year is the period from January 1st to December 31st, that is 365 days. On January 1st, we wish someone well for the new year by saying, Happy New Year. We do also use the word for our age. How old are you? Me? I'm 4 years old, and you? I know you used the word already so many times. Year. Read. Read. Bean. Bean. Clean. Clean. Mean. Mean. Meat. Meat. Week. Week. Now, here are the common examples where you read E and A as a long A. Bear. Bear. Pear. Pear. Where. Where. Break. Break. Now, here are the common examples where you read E and A as a short E. Head. Head. Dead. Dead. Bread. Bread. I know how you feel. Why is it E and A close to each other are read as long E and long A, and some as short E? Don't worry, that's why I separated them all for you and got the most common words used. I believe in you, you'll learn this in no time. If you've got it all, you can go to the next step with 2 vowels. Video link is in the description.